Hello there, this is Alok, and today I am going to talk about AI agents. In these sessions, I will explain you all about what is AI agents, why we need AI agents, how do we create AI agents, and some of the real life examples. So let's talk about what is AI agent. An AI agent is autonomous decision making system that complete the task based on the reasoning, perceptions, and take respective actions. It also understands the advanced languages and interpret it based on the context or the fact and the figure that is defined in that. It breaks down the task into multiple steps and execute it or action it either parallelly or sequentially. Also, AI agents can be without human interactions or with human interactions. So that entire this component, different components that make together an AI agent. That means an AI agent is capable of making decision autonomously. It can understand the advanced languages. It can break down the task into multiple steps, and without human interaction needed, it can complete the task. The task, those are what kind of tasks it can complete? It can complete your customer self-service response. It can make a decision whether some alert message to be sent to the respective stakeholders or not based on the fact and figure. It can also approve the loans or deny the loan based on the documents, what document it's actually accept from the customer or from the operators. Now the question is why we need AI agents. Enterprises actually these days performing the complex operations, and due to the operation model is getting complex, it's very difficult to doing similar kind of approach manually or some kind of robotic process. Some intelligence required by which these operations or these complex workflow can be done easily without any error. Similarly, there are so many integrations required in these days by which the data should be exchanged or data should be communicated to get things done on time or get things done with proper quality. Enhancing productivity is a every time challenge for enterprises by which they can enhance the productivity with the same forces, the same deployment of resources. Along with that, need to take a decision on timely, on accurately. For that, they must be have a valid facts and figure. If you have such kind of use cases or situations, then AI agents actually helping here to get rid of all these things and helping the business by automating the complex workflow, integrating with any system, enhancing the productivity, making the decision based on fact and figure. Along with that, easily adapt new things, new system in place, which actually offering the API approach. Now, how AI agents work? The question is how AI agents works basically. So it actually consists of several different things altogether, and that entire this ecosystem or system make AI agent smart to do some work based on the way it has been designed. The center of this AI agent is the LLM, which is called the thinking of AI agent or reasoning capability of AI agent. And this AI LLM or the reasoning module of the AI agent is the core of this entire ecosystem of AI agents. There are several steps that need to be performed or AI agent interacts. That is called environments, understand the context, the reasoning capability, and the planning, accessing the different resources and tools, and do some actions and complete the task. These are all things tightly coupled, or I would say making this component communicating data here and there, and then makes this entire AI agents working effectively. Now, question is, how do we create AI agents? There are several steps and the processes involved to create the AI agents. There are some inbuilt environment and the platform is available that can create the AI agents on behalf based on your needs and requirement. But before developing the AI agents, you need to the understand the objective of AI agents, selection of right language model or LLM, and implementation of correct memory components. Along with that, what integration and tools you require by which agent should be do and get the data or perform the actions. And along with that, you need to show that your security should be aligned accordingly as per your enterprise's needs and the chances of vulnerability reducing the vulnerability of your AI agents. There are several platforms, I would say, available based on your practices and approach. If you go with the high code practices or the low code practices, LangChain or the LangChain graph is the best today in this case. For low code platform, OutSystem agent workbench is best today. It actually reduces the additional complexity in terms of initializing the environment, in terms of calling and defining each and everything component. It actually giving you the entire wrapper all together, and just you need to focus on selection of element, context queries, and the messaging to be passed and communicate, and that's it. And then your agent is ready to work and handle things. Uh, Now I'm going to talk about some of the real life example that is different AI agents actually deployed by the different businesses and the section, the enterprises, and they actually helping there to increase their performance and the productivity. The most popular type are customer support agents that actually understand, perceive the customer in the plain languages, and based on the request and the query, agent actually perform some action in terms of providing the right answer to the customer, or initiate some actions or initiate some transactions, either a refund of some product or alerting some messages or raising some ticketing requests. Those things is actually happening. In this entire process, really require human interactions by the agents. Agent can handle each and everything based on the reasoning and what the customer actually requested. Similarly, the field operation and IoT-based system, their agent actually, based on the sensor data and monitoring data, it actually triggers some actions to reduce the damage and operations. So these are some example of agents deployment in various industry. And I hope you must like this. So thank you for watching this.